this is such an age-old question, but people still ask it all the time. What is the cloud? Well, the cloud, I use the term generically. The cloud just means it's out there somewhere. It's not on my device, it's somewhere else. It's on the internet, on the web, it's online. That is the cloud. You don't put things into just the cloud. You put things into your account with your username and password. So you might have an Apple account that takes you to iCloud. If you use Google Photos, that is the cloud photo service by Google. Microsoft's is called OneDrive. Samsung is Samsung Cloud. And then there's Verizon, which I don't know how they get away with this. They just call theirs cloud. So how does it work? So what we're talking about, I like to give a little visual. So think of Google Photos as in the cloud. It's up there. Or if you're using Apple Photos, then iCloud is up there. I want to demonstrate with photos about uploading to the cloud. With Google Photos, first of all, I have mine set to constantly upload to the, whenever I take a picture, it is automatically backing up, uploading to the cloud. I'm going to turn that off right now just to make it more clear. So I just tap on my account button at the top. Where it says backup complete, I tap there. Backup is on. If I turn it off, now when I take pictures, they're just going to be on my phone. They won't be automatically uploaded. So I'm going to take 3 pictures. First, I'll just take a selfie. There we go. And now I want just a picture of Jim. I'll just take a picture of Jim with his green screen behind. Oh, okay. And then I want Jim with a picture with Penny. Okay. This is our mascot pelican, if you will. So where are those pictures?
They're on the phone.
They're on my phone. What if my phone goes overboard right now?
You've lost those pictures, haven't you?
I have lost those pictures. But I've turned backup off intentionally. Let's say that I don't want to be using the data, the bandwidth it takes to upload all my pictures. But I do want to look. So if I go to Google Photos, I will see those photos. And let's say, well, I mean, they're all nice, but it's really just this one of Jim and Penny that I think is important enough to upload to the cloud. I tap it, and there is this option to back up now. If I tap that, now what's happening? It's sending a copy of that picture to the Google Photos cloud. So now if I drop my phone overboard, I'm okay. And to prove that to you, I want to show you that on my iPad. So my iPad is connected to the internet, the cloud. I go to Google Photos on my iPad, which it still has my account. There is the picture of Jim with Penny because I specifically uploaded it. But the picture of the two of us and of just him are not there. They are not in the cloud. Google Photos is showing me the cloud. The Google Cloud. Now, let's say I take a picture with my iPhone, and I think I'll just take a selfie of me with green screen. What will I be able to do with that sometime? Okay. So I just took a picture of me, and my iPhone is set to automatically upload to iCloud, right? So how can I prove that to you? On my computer, now I could show it to you on my iPad as well, but that's kind of obvious. So I want to show you how on my Windows computer I can see that that photo went to iCloud. I just go to a browser and go to iCloud.com. And I am already signed in. When you first go here, you might need to sign in again. And if I click on Photos, and I might need to refresh. So I'm going to click this little circular refresh. There we go. Okay. So it is there in iCloud in my account. So that is, what is the cloud? It's a place on the internet where you are probably paying for storage space and you can put things up there.